In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Eventbrite tickets. We'll walk through the desktop method step by step so you can securely send tickets to someone else and make sure they can get into the event without any hiccups. First, open a web browser and go to Eventbrite, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Tickets. This takes you to your list of upcoming and past events. Find the event you want to gift or transfer and open that specific ticket. On the ticket page, look for the Transfer Tickets option. If you see it, click it. You'll be shown the tickets tied to that event. Select the exact ticket or tickets you want to transfer. Then you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Type in their first name, last name, and email address carefully. It's worth double-checking spelling here because the transfer relies on that email being correct. When everything looks good, click Transfer to send the tickets. The recipient will receive an email from Eventbrite with instructions to accept the ticket transfer. Let them know to open that message and follow the acceptance link as soon as possible. After they accept the transfer, the ticket will move into their Eventbrite account. The QR code will update to show their name, and your original ticket becomes invalid. From that point on, only the recipient can use the transferred ticket for entry. There are a few important notes to keep in mind. Some event organizers disable transfers entirely, so you might not see the transfer tickets button for certain events. When transfers are allowed, they typically need to be accepted before the event starts. If your recipient can't find the transfer email, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, the promotions tab, or any other inbox categories. If they still don't see it, have them search their inbox for Eventbrite and make sure the email address you entered is the one they're checking. If transfers are disabled for your event, there is an alternative. You can download the PDF version of the ticket and send it to the recipient manually. Keep in mind, though, that some events verify the ticket holder's name at the door. Because of that, the official transfer method is strongly recommended whenever it's available, as it ensures the name and QR code are correctly tied to the person using the ticket. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll gift Eventbrite tickets smoothly and securely.